Hey, what's going on, everyone? What's going on, investing with Rod family? Hope everybody's having a great day. It's been a while since technology has been at the forefront, and some of the main contributors to the stock market being where it is today, as far as return on investments and price increases. People are becoming richer and richer. And I have been taking a good close look at a centralized ETF where I can have one fund that encompasses a bunch of individual technology companies. And I think I found the one, and that is the Fidelity Information Technology ETF, ticker symbol FTEC, baby. They should put FT and a dollar sign for the ticker symbol, but I want to take a look at this and see what it's been doing. This is going to be a long-term hold for me. So I'm personally more focused on what it's been doing in the last 5 years. You may be focused on what's it done in the last year to date or the last year. And there's other ways you can see what it's done in the last 3 years. So your philosophy or your strategy may be different than Rod's. Hey, welcome to Investing with Rod, everyone. On this channel, we talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, we talk about exchange traded funds or ETFs, but more importantly, we talk to you about how to invest on a budget. You only have $5, $10, or $20 to invest per month, every 2 weeks, every payday. You're in the right place because your boy Rod is going to show you exactly how to do it. I won't be investing for you. You'll be doing your own investments via Robinhood or whatever app you decide to use. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before you invest any of your hard-earned money, because this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, select all so you don't miss out on future opportunities to make money. Hit that thumbs up, baby. Hit that like button, blow on it, kiss it. I don't care what you do to it. Just make it change colors. The more likes we get, and we are shooting for at least 25 likes, the more likes we get, the more this video will get pushed out to people that may be looking for this information. With all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. Let's get down to business. And I am going to be using my Robinhood account. As you can see on the screen, we have the Fidelity MSCI Information Technology Index ETF. I don't have time to all the time in the world to say all that. I will refer to this as FTEC, Frank, Tom, Edward, Charles, FTEC. Every blue moon, I might say the Fidelity Information Technology ETF, but more than likely, I'm going to say FTEC. So let's look at this ETF and see what it's been doing. So and I know this is not the last. We're going to go to year to date. What has it done year to date? It is up 1.08% year to date, up $2. That is not good. It's not nowhere near great, but it's better than a lot of other things that are showing red year to date. A lot of other ETFs, a lot of other individual stocks, a lot of cryptocurrencies. So anything that I see green year to date, I'm not too bothered by. Actually, I look at this as a purchasing opportunity. And in the last year, now what did it do today? Let me go back real quick. Today it's up $1.37, up 0.73%, and after hours is up 0.01 or 3 cents. Now we're gonna go back over to 1 year. What has it done in the last year? It is up 9.56%. Not bad. Not the best, but not bad. Up 16.44, $16.44 in the past year. Now, what did I say? I want to see what it's been doing in the last 5 years. There we go. Bingo, bango. And I did a video on SCHD where it was up like 43 or 44% in 5 years. This is what I want to see right here. Up 136.06% in the last 5 years, or $108.66. Can you imagine? 5 years ago, this was $80. and it's gone up $108 in 5 years. Even if you invested one time, you've made 136%. So going down a little bit, I currently in this account, remember we are investing on a budget. I have $10.81. My average cost was $175.21. The price is 188. So cost is lower than the price. I'm doing good. I've made 76 cents or 7.60%. Now all this here 5 year, 1 year, year to date, that's cool. But what have I really made? I've made, since I had it, 7.6%. I have 0.057 of a share. And I look forward to this really growing. Now, right here, let's go to the About section. FTEC tracks a market cap weighted index of stocks in the broad U.S. information technology sector. We're going to look at these top 10 holdings. It currently have 284 companies in it, and it was started at October 21st, 2013. Category technology. So technology is making up 98% of this ETF. And then you got a little bit of financial sector, a little bit of industrial, a little bit of healthcare, 0.01, less than 1% on all three of these, all four of these. Man, I'm rolling the dice, but let's see what I'm rolling the dice on. So top 10 holdings, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is not going anywhere. Microsoft, Apple, Broadcom, Oracle, Palantir, Cisco, IBM, Salesforce, Intuit. These are some good companies. And the ones that I personally don't own, I'm going to show you from here down, I own none of these. From Cisco Systems down to Intuit. And then look how small a portion, 1.57, 1.54%, 1.52, 1.29. I'm glad I don't own them. And some reason FTEC is making a small investment in that as well. Now I do have Palantir, Oracle, but look at the big dog. When everybody's believing in Broadcom, that's why I don't have to purchase it individually. As you can see, 4.59%. Now, Apple is 13% of this investment. Microsoft is 14%. NVIDIA is 16%. I'm not going to say you can't lose with these. If you lose, there's a high possibility of a comeback. But I will say, with technology stocks, when you lose, if they're on a bad run that day or a bad 3-day run, you're going to probably lose big. But when you gain, you're going to gain big. So keep that in mind and try not to. What I do, and I'm going to go ahead and take this off. What I try to do is keep a positive mental attitude, known as PMA. I try to think positive. The glass is half full, not half empty. So I don't freak out when I see the stock market going down. I don't freak out when I see the crypto market going down or FTEC going down, because I know it's going to go back up eventually. Now, do I? More so now I do, because I'm having more fun with this and I have this channel. But will I sell something that's been going down for a while? Yeah. Now I know it's going to recover, but I'm getting a little more impatient because I'm really trying to strategize for retirement. I did a sit and hold that worked very well early on, probably when I was taking some risks. Then I had individual stocks where I was really taking risks. And now I'm strategizing, trying to minimize some of my risk. Yeah, I have FTEC, but I have several other investments that if it does drop, I have enough other investments that will sustain the pain. With that being said, do me a favor, if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell, select all, give the video a thumbs up, share this channel with a family member or a friend. We're extremely close to 1,000 subscribers, which is my first milestone on this channel. We got to get it out there. We got to get it in front of people. That's why we ask people to hit that like button. We need to get people more knowledgeable. when it comes to investing. One thing I want to leave you with, if you've made it this far in the video, and I'm probably going to say it earlier in another video, we want to put ourselves in a position where when mass layoffs, or I didn't hear about it until 2020-ish, or furloughs and you're fired and all this start to happen, we're not going to be worried, because we're going to have not a nest egg. We're going to have a whole block of nests to fall back on. It's just going to be a situation. Think about it. With all that being said, hope you have a blessed and prosperous week. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, dropping more knowledge, more importantly, showing you how to invest on a budget. And as always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you. Much love, y'all. Peace.